So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another video to dive in. If your game suddenly run worse, your GPU settings reset or performance dropped after Windows update, there's a good chance Windows replaced your graphics driver with an older one. In this video, I'll show you the safest way to confirm it, roll back if possible and reinstall the correct GPU driver without using risky third-party tools. Firstly, let's confirm the GPU driver actually changed. Open Device Manager by right-clicking on the Windows symbol, then choosing it. Go to Display Adapters. Right-click on your GPU, NVIDIA, AMD or Intel graphics, then select Properties. Go to Driver. Now check Driver Version, then Driver Date. This is the fastest way to confirm whether Windows recently installed a different graphics driver. A lot of people assume the GPU is broken, but sometimes the driver simply got replaced. Now, compare your installed version with the latest version available from NVIDIA, AMD, Intel or your laptop manufacturer. It's important to know that do not use random driver download websites. For laptops especially, the laptop manufacturer's validated driver may actually be safer than a generic GPU driver. For example, Dell, HP, Lenovo, or Asus, a sometimes customized GPU behavior for that specific laptop. Now, if you want to roll back the driver if available, inside Device Manager, go to your GPU. Right-click on it, then choose Properties. Then select Driver. Check whether Rollback Driver is available. If Windows recently replaced the working driver, this can instantly restore the previous version. That's often the fastest fix. If the button is grayed out, Windows may no longer have the older driver stored locally. Now, reinstall the proper driver from the official source. Desktop users usually find use in NVIDIA drivers, AMD Adrenalin or Intel graphic drivers, or laptop users may want to start with the laptop manufacturer version first. During installation, choose the Clean Installation option if available. This helps remove the leftover settings from the bad driver swap. After installation, restart the PC completely. Now you can test games, GPU control panel, external monitors or performance behavior. You're checking whether the driver downgrade problem is actually gone or not. Now if Windows immediately tries replacing the driver again, temporarily pause Windows updates while testing stability. Just open Settings. Then head to Windows Update, then choose Pause Updates. It's important to know that this is temporary troubleshooting, not permanent disabling of security updates. The goal simply is to prevent immediate reinstallation while confirming the fix. Sometimes Windows places GPU drivers under Windows Update, Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Check there carefully. You may see older displayed drivers waiting to install. If your current driver works well, you may not need those optional GPU updates immediately. Laptop GPUs are a little different. Some systems use hybrid graphics, custom thermal tuning, and manufacturer-specific power behavior. That's why a newer generic driver isn't always better for every laptop. Sometimes the manufacturer-tested version is more stable. And that's it guys, most GPU downgrade problems can be fixed clearly without reinstalling Windows. If this video helped you out, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more practical Windows and gaming PC fixes. And don't be shy to let me down in the comments below what is your GPU version and what is the exactly issue that you're facing, and I will try to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.